Welcome everybody to Cobourg Honda. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2022 Honda CR-V Sport all-wheel drive. This is a fantastic find. It's a one-owner vehicle, no accident history, under 80,000 kilometers, and it was bought here and serviced here at Cobourg Honda. Now, we're going to take you on a tour of all the great features and the condition as if you were here with us at the store, so you can have a great look at it from the comfort of your own home. The CR-V Sport under the hood features a 1.5 liter, 4-cylinder, turbocharged engine. It's connected to a CVT automatic transmission, and of course, it's all-wheel drive, so it's going to handle all the crazy weather Ontario loves to throw at us. Now, you can see from the side profile, this is a really nice 5-passenger SUV. Great size, lots of room in the trunk, and you can fit adults in the back seat. We're going to show you that in just a moment or two. But first, we want to show you the nice exterior features and the condition, such as these great looking 19-inch gunmetallic alloy wheels, fantastic Continental tires on there as well. We have LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. We have window vent visors, nice accessory from the previous owner, and one that you don't see very often is the sunroof visor as well. So you can open up that sunroof and you don't get that howling noise that you sometimes do at highway speed. So it's a nice accessory to have. Now, as we come around to the back, great looking taillights, integrated rear spoiler, and then we've got the all-wheel drive Sport badge down here on the right. Now, the Sport does give you a power tailgate, which is really nice and convenient. Popping that open, you're going to see that there is lots of room in the trunk. So if you got kids in activities, hockey, dance, all that great stuff, or you just love going to Costco, well, there's lots of room back here for that. Previous owner also purchased a cargo cover too, so that's really nice. Little privacy screen that comes back and you can kind of protect it from prying eyes inside. Love that the CR-V is nice and low too, so you don't have to lift stuff way up to your chin to put it into the trunk. Now, coming around the passenger side so you can see all 4 corners. Again, this was bought and serviced here at Cobourg Honda, under 80,000 kilometers. Beautiful white paint too. The white with those nice accessories, including this hood deflector up front, really make it pop. Now, we've got great looking headlights and fog lights down below, a black front grille, and now let's go take a look on the inside. We'll start off with the back seats and then we'll work our way up front. You can see the nice pearl paint on this too, right? See if there you go. Isn't that nice? So in the back seats, we have reclining rear seats. They are stadium seating. They sit up a little bit higher than the front, prevents motion sickness, which is great. We have a big center armrest there that folds down, and we've got USB ports in the back, so that way kids don't need to share charging cords, because heaven forbid they do that. That's like the biggest fight that's in the cars, if there's not enough cords to power everybody up. Now up front, we've got a power tilt and slide sunroof, some nice front seats. They are 3-stage heated seats as well, big bolsters on there, really comfy seat. And we have a power driver's seat with power lumbar support. Now, hopping in, have a look around at this nice interior. Turn down the radio there. Have a look at the nice interior here. Lots of nice contrasting materials. I love this. Kind of like almost like a brushed aluminum, and then we have piano black all the way up over to here. Safety features on the CR-V: forward emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning. We also have adaptive cruise control. You can see that right there on the wheel. We've got the blind spot monitor. So when you put on your right-hand turn signal, you get a camera underneath the right-hand mirror, and it gives you that display so you can see if there's anybody in your blind spot on your passenger side. You can also just activate it just by pushing this button here, and it'll activate the camera as well, but it automatically turns on with the turn signal. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. In the information display here, have a look at the odometer, 79,816 kilometers. What's even more notable is check out the fuel economy, 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers combined. That can get even lower, believe it or not. And the way to do that is you use this econ button right there. And that's going to just basically dull the acceleration a little bit on the CR-V. And you can get this thing very low if you're driving just nice and easy. It is so, so inexpensive on fuel. And let's face it right now, that's a popular topic, right? So fantastic choice if you're looking for that. Now the infotainment system here, we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a great audio system on this as well. And then my favorite is the multi-angle rear view camera. So this is the traditional view you have on most cars, but this also has a widescreen view. It's more like 180 degrees, so it gives you a really, really good wide look out the back. And then we have this view here, which is the top-down view, or the garage view, as I call it. If you want to back into the garage, this gets you nice and close to the wall without bumping it. We also have dual zone climate control on the Sport, so independent temperatures for both the passenger and the driver. You'll see the heated seats there as well. And then we have our electronic parking brake with brake hold. What a nice feature to have, especially if you get stuck in stop and go traffic often. That brake hold is really a game changer. More USB ports because we don't want to share cords, and then some cup holders and lots of storage, of course. On our key fob too, we do have a remote starter, and the power tailgate remote starts great. Obviously get it warmed up or cooled off depending on the climate, and that's hooked up to the push button start. And then last but not least, of course, is our Carfax here. So we've got our 22 CR-V Sport, 1 owner, no accidents, and 8 service records, which were all done here at Cobourg Honda. So you can check out all the maintenance that's been done to this CR-V as well when you come in for a test drive. And that's what you should do next, is come and visit us here at Cobourg Honda. Take out this incredible CR-V Sport for a drive. It's a great find, loaded with great accessories, and of course, this beautiful pearl white paint. Come check it out yourself right here at Cobourg Honda. We can't wait to see you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.